All right, guys, so little update. We're back again. My man is mad. Yo, Chris, what's going on, brother? Talk to me. Talk to me.
Okay, I'll just show you. Excuse the dirty engine bay. But
dirty, you could eat off of this.
Yeah, got some.
It's okay, it's okay.
Yeah, clean it up. Yo, that's billet though right there.
Oh,
that's nice.
this man got money.
That's nice.
This man got money.
No, we wrong pulley again. Even though
Again.
I had the right pulley yesterday, and it's now in transit to Connecticut.
So what do we do? Wait for another one.
Yep, Monday.
So, guys, our E36s have been sitting here together for probably 4 or 5 weeks now. We just can't get these cars done. We're waiting on parts. Parts are getting delayed. We got wrong parts sent to us a couple times. So we're actually gonna set it up. We're gonna get you guys another video just on the E46s when they're complete. I promise. We're gonna make them perfect, and then we will get them back on the vlog. All right, so right now we're gonna go warm up the E36. We're gonna get out there. We're gonna go have some fun.
Bring them in, dude. Look.
What are we doing?
We're doing a whole steering shaft.
Oh, my man said we're gonna do the shaft. So this car we just did the rod bearings on. We're gonna knock out a new steering shaft for him. And this, that's it. That first oil change on the new bearings.
And then we're gonna cut the
How many miles did he do on this?
500 plus.
Okay, so like 500-600 miles. Cool.
So we're gonna.
Awesome. So we're actually gonna cut the filter for you guys and let's check it out. See how this oil looks after this rod bearing job. Let's go. We outside. Let's get this thing warmed up. Prime the fuel pump. Look at that, baby. Single turbo, built motor, no codes, no nothing. And it's got Bluetooth. All right, let's go. Gonna let this thing warm up outside so we don't die from all the fumes. And let's go. Oh shit, wait. Ray, I'm coming. I forgot my video guy. Definitely gonna need him. Let me go find this guy. We'll be back. Look at that ice, boy. Before we head out. Oh, last cheese stick, boys. Let's go. What's going on? Microwave's not working?
Oh, it's always working. It's like
Yo, these guys want to. Hold on.
It's not working though. Stop. It's working. Wait, put the rest of them in there.
Hold on. Microwave's throwing a check engine.
Nah, come on, bro. Are you kidding me?
It's broken. All right, guys. So we just got some E85. We're over here at Valero. Just filled up real quick. So I got my boy Nicky and Ray in the 340. So Ray's actually filming. He's gonna make us a sick video. We're ready to roll. Let's get this E36 in a movie. Got my man Ray on the opposite side of the camera today. This video is gonna come out sick. All right, guys, so it got freaking cold out. I had to go throw a hoodie on. We're back at HQ. We just dropped the 36 off. You guys saw a little snippet of all of us behind the scenes shooting the podcast last night and stuff. So, guys, stay tuned. We got 2 or 3 videos dropping for you guys. This one with the E36. We got a full rod bearing video dropping for you guys. And then we got another episode of the podcast. Guys, like, comment, subscribe, help us out. Stay tuned, keep watching, and we'll keep cranking out content. Peace. See you on the next one.